Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Swift UI text app inside today we need to create here the rating list. My ratings list we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this design inside the XD files. Let's start first of all the open here the XD files inside and to this screen to develop here. First of all, we need to create here the this top bars. Inside we need to put here the user ratings, user rating representations, and number of user are the giving the ratings. We need to list out here, and then after we need to row here the pie charts. We need to displaying like the rating and total trips to displaying here, and also need to create here the month wise. We need to displaying here the user review. Let's start how to write down designs inside the Swift UI. First of all, needs here the new files. We need to create here the new files is the my rating view. Click here the Swift UI view and to give this here the name my rating view, and like this creates here the new files. And now we need to go inside the setting view and to copy this UI and to paste this here. Select this here and now to go my ratings this here this codes and to rename this screen name. First of all, you need to give this here the name as a rating at this sets, and also need to give this here stack. This sets here, and now need to set here the current month, and need to this here the October's as a 2013 33 at this sets. Sorry for this typo. Now we need to create here the rating row. We need to set here first of all to remove these years, and now we need to create here the our common UI. Now we need to go here and to create here the new files. Set this like here. Also to select here the Swift UI view and to create new next. Click on next and to give this here the rating row. This creates, and now need to set this here the first of all need to see here the state variables. At the state variables we need to find this here. Pairs, and then after we need to this here the date as a integer. Need to pass this here. By default need to give this here the one like this sets. Also need to give this here the message or the review message. As you need to pass here the string sets here the message, and to give this here thank you. Like this sets, and also need to create the stack. And first of all need to create here the rating bar. First of all need to go here the trip details and to select the user rating field stars. We need to copy this here and paste inside our designs. Now we need to go inside the rating bars and this here this value, and also need to give this here the check here the rate at this paste here. Set here this value. Need to set this here. Also need to create here text message and to set as a message. like these sets. And first of all, options. If messages are not equal to blank, then after all, set this value here. Also need to set this here the foreground colors. Also need to set here the custom font. And to give this here the regulars, and to that here 16 regulars, need to set this here like this sets. And now we need to give this here the RAM maximum. Need to give this here as a infinity sets. Also need to give this here the alignment. And to set this here the heading sets. Copy here same as here this value like this set. And also need to create here dividers. Like this sets here this UI are creating here blends. And also need to use this here. Now need to copy here this row and to create one by one by, and need to set this here the data now and that here the rates. First of all, this here the pie and that here the message. Sets also create and that's use this here 3 and not given any message. Paste this here like this sets here the our UI. And need to see this designs here the not check this here. Also need to decrease this here and set this here. Like this here UI the displaying here but not displaying the drops. Go inside the rating view and need to see this design first to see here. The top need to pass this here the ends like this sets here not it's good. Top and also need to go against the my rating view. Now need to create here tag sets. Also create here the tag. First of all need to set this here the also need to here give this here rating its value, and also need to check this here the font size. Here the 25 extra bold, like this sets here the also need to give this here ratings. Now we need to go inside the rating row and we need to see here and to go inside and to put this years this value sets here the stars and to give this here now, or we need to give this here the dates. Like this sets also need to get here the another step. Sets also need to get here. Set users resizable scale to fit. After need to set this here them and width. Give this here the width as I need to pass this here and to set this here sets. Also need that here secondary text and to set this here the font size need that here 14. Give this here the regulars sets and to counts of the users. Like this sets here this UI and also need to see sets. Also need to give this here the paddings here it's good. Now I am waiting for the loading this UI inside the here canvas. Now is UI are loading here and like this thing here this UI and also the size that this here it's good. Now need to create here pie charts. Need to first of all need that step. Also need to give this here the elements as a centers here. That's use. First of all need to copy this view step and to save. Now need to set here counts. Trip counts need to set this here. Also need to font size 18 extra bold. That's this here. Copy again this value here. This here and to now we need to create here regular font size and to give this here trip also need to see here. And also need to give this here secondary as a app need to set and it's good for this UI. And now need to develop here these things. See here. Okay, we need to check the seeds. First of all, need to create here circle. Draw here the strokes. Need to give this here the stroke colors as a color dot light. So need to set this design light gray. That's, and also need to give this here the width. Line width, not only line width. Sets, need to set this 20 is good. Set this here, this here. So need to hide. Also need to give this here the like this. That here means like this sets here and small. Also need to like this sets, and now we need to create another circles. We need to sears both, and also need to trim. Need to set here the trim as a 0 to from 0 to. Need to set this here sets. Also need to needs here the rotate this years. Also need to set here the degree. Need to set here. And now need to give this here the colors as a primary. Need to set this years. Like this here. And this UI are the creating buttons for this years. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.